Pawnee City Lake is formed by the impoundment of Skedee Creek, just north of Pawnee. I'm here by the spillway section of the dam, and with all the rain that we've had here, you can see that the water is definitely going over the spillway. This lake was built in the early 1930s and is used as water supply for the city of Pawnee. The structure you see out here with the red brick round building at the top is the intake structure that's used for the municipal water supply. It's a nice lake, not very big. About a half a mile wide and a mile long. And it's very nice to see that the lake is full and water spilling over. Back several years ago, you could come up here and when we had a very dry season, the lake was nearly 8 feet low. And you could walk around all down in here. This was totally dry. But today it's very wet, and you can see the water flowing over. We'll go over here to the other side. Very lovely construction that they used to do back in the 30s. As you can see, this nice stone retaining wall here, and then you can see on the concrete work, you can see everything. The formwork was all dimensional lumber, no plywood forms were used. The bridge over the dam spillway section uses the standard concrete fence style railings that you see on a lot of bridges here in Oklahoma. And it looks like there may have been a bronze plaque here at one time where these empty holes are at on this post, but as you can see, that's long gone. Also interesting to note that these railings are totally devoid of the inset panel detail that was typically used on the railings from this time period. Just beyond there is the field where we harvest the wheat in June. Over there, that will be the wheat that is threshed at the show in May. There it flows into Skedee Creek, and in about a half a mile from here, maybe a little less, Skedee Creek joins with Black Bear Creek and thenceforth to the Arkansas River. This looks like the end of the project construction for this project. You can see the water from here flows back into the natural banks of the creek. Here's a view of the spillway structure. A lot of lakes were built like this one in the 30s, early 30s for water supply, and most of the ones I've seen use that same general design of intake structure. The little building on top will vary from lake to lake. Sometimes they'll be brick, sometimes they'll be concrete, but it's that same general, 30s municipal style. Anyway, a little bit of a dam and a bridge here for the OK Bridges channel. So, thanks for watching.